Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your computer screen suddenly turned upside down or sideways and you have no idea how it happened, don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix it in just a few seconds. So if your screen looks like that, it usually happens because of a keyboard shortcut or a display setting change, but the good news is that it's really easy to fix. So the first method is the quickest one. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus alternate, or you can say Alt Alt plus up arrow at the same time. This should immediately rotate your screen back to normal. And that's it. After following this tutorial, now your screen is back to normal and your screen should be fixed now. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.